Good morning, students. Myself, Rupinder Kaur, and I'm back with the same chapter with different topics. Today, we are going to start with domains of the environment. Before going to start, here is a question. Did you know World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every day? Yes. So, let's begin with the topics. First part of our domain is lithosphere. The solid crust or hard top layer of the earth is called lithosphere. It is made up of rocks, minerals, and covered by the thin layer of soil. You know, the average thickness of the lithosphere is about 100 kilometer. Yes, the uppermost part of the lithosphere found a thin layer of soil. This irregular and rocky sphere extends both over the continents and ocean basins. Next coming up is hydrosphere. From the word hydrosphere, we come to know about that this is about water. Water support all forms of life. Water is found in three states: solid, liquid, and gases. As you have read in your earlier classes, we get fresh water on land through the process of water cycle. This water cycles is including lakes, seas, oceans, and rivers. Moving forward, another domain is atmosphere. Atmosphere, it is the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth, or we can say an envelope of air which surround the earth is called atmosphere. Atmosphere, it consists of a number of gases, dust, and water vapors. Any change in the atmosphere produces change in the weather and climate. As human beings and animals, we need oxygen to survive, and plants need carbon dioxide to support themselves. So this is how atmosphere works. Biosphere. The word bios comes from the Greek word which means life, and sphera comes from a Latin word means total range. It is small in size as compared to the other spheres or domains in our environment, but it is a place of million species to live in it. The sphere support life and is thus called the living world as well. So next coming up is biosphere. Plants and animals kingdom together make biosphere, as we have read, or the living world. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land and water and air interact with each other and support life. So here is the cycle. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and gives oxygen instead. And the tree slows down the flow of rivers and floods. Even dead leaves and plants give nutrition value to the earth. Moving forward is ecosystem. An ecosystem includes of all living things, plants, animals, and organisms in a given area, interacting with each other and also with their non-living environment. Non-living environment are also called as abiotic. Ecosystem is in complex in nature. As we have seen in the picture given below, that sun is a producer, grass and plants are also the producers. They produce the oxygen which we take. And here is the second consumer, grasshopper, who eats the grass or the leaves of the plants. And the third consumer becomes frog, who eats the grasshopper, and this is how the cycle of ecosystem works. The snake eats the frog and the hawk eats the snake. So this is a complex form of our ecosystem. Next is your homework for today. Here is some questions related to. Please do the needfuls. Thank you and see you soon.